Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put brackets around matrix in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to put brackets around matrix in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Equation drop down menu and choose Insert New Equation. Then go to the Design menu. Then click the Matrix option and choose the matrix with brackets. Now I select the matrix with brackets. Then add a text on the box. Now we can see we put brackets around matrix very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.